Hi, my name is John Nemira, and I wanted to talk to you today about writing a service level agreement. A service level agreement or service agreement is the details in a contract or in an agreement that you put together with a potential customer of yours, whether you're working for them or they are working for you. It's a detailed list, a detailed paragraph, a detailed set of notes indicating what you will do, what service you will provide, how much you will charge, when this will be done, when you will be paid, and in all the details of the contract. It's basically a contract. It's an agreement. It's a service agreement. It's what service you will provide, or they will provide, of course, under what stipulations. And the stipulations, of course, are time and cost and all the details. So in a service agreement, if it's a very detailed service agreement, it's something you want to have an attorney involved in. And if not, look at some samples online. And if it's acceptable for both parties, then it's binding. If you need any more information on this subject or any other subject in the business field, my email address is jneimira@gmail.com.